Hey tech lovers, I am Ridham Balik and I am back with you. So I got a tweet from JD Robotics that what about launching an existing exercise of Robotic Academy with the latest radii. So in this video I am going to show you how to install the radii, and in next video I am going to show you how to run it. So let's go. Okay, so you have already seen in my previous video that this is the Docker image and how to pull it. Just copy the link and my network sucks, so yeah, just copy the link and paste in your terminal and it will pull automatically. Then you have just to run it in the terminal and just open the exercise tab. Let me open this tab, exercise tab. Yeah, these are the exercises. Scroll down, where was I? Exercise, scroll down. Yeah, this machine vision, this exercise we were doing in the last session. Let's open it and install it with rose node. Yeah, so the goal of the exercise is to learn how to use vision to assist industrial robot by detecting known objects. Okay, so we have two kinetic cameras and with the help of them we have to pick the objects. We have already seen these installations, but we have to do rose node one, like scroll. Yeah, these. So install the general. What is this? Oh, I have told you already about this. Just pull it and we come back to our installation. Let let's start the installation. Okay, so first two are very easy, just copy and paste it. And yeah, where there is melodic, just paste your version of ROS so that it does not get the error. So the part is when we pull it, the error came there. Like I'll show you. Wait. Oh, okay. Actually, in my case, there is no error while pulling. Uh, let's update the rows depth. Paste. Yes. And yeah. So you can see the error here, and this is not the error. Actually, this is the dependencies which I have not installed. It's like it will mention here. Wait, I have entered a melodic. Sorry, I have neurotic. I do very much mistakes. Wait, yeah. So here are the dependencies. Like you can count that so many dependencies. Just we have to sudo apt install and install the dependencies, all the dependencies. Like just sudo apt install and paste it and run it, and just like that. Go. Oh, what the install it. Oh, I have forgotten the S in the install. Sorry. Let's try again. Yeah, like that. Just install every dependencies again and again. Okay. Yeah, I'm telling you all these things again and again so that you will remember, because these things are important. Whichever project you are working on, it's from JD Robotics or from other, but you should first of all solve all the dependencies, or else your code will not run. So this is very important, so I am showing you that we have to do this again and again. I can skip it, but if I will skip it, you will not remember it next time. So I'm installing everything so that you will remember. Just install it. Yep. Let's check again. Okay, only 4 dependencies are left. Again, and you will see that if when you install one dependencies, 2 or 3 more dependencies got solved because they are interlinked and installed with one another. So yeah, it's not that we have to install all the 10 dependencies. We have to install only 3 or 4. Rest will get uh, installed with each other. So 3 are left. Just copy sudo apt install and paste it. Yep. Oh, see this. Only my one dependencies is left, and I'm installing it. And after that, I'm going switching to Windows because I'm using Ubuntu on the VisualBox, and it's creating some problems. So I'm installing it in Windows. You can use WSL in Windows, and it's very, very, very easy. Okay, so I'm switching to Windows, just installing it. Yeah, let's uh, perform our last step on the Windows. Okay, see you there. Okay, so here we comes on the Windows, and I have already done it because I was too excited to install it. Just I have copied the catkin build and paste here. So just scroll. Yeah, it's a like quite long process. It will build your libraries according to your Docker pull, and yeah, yeah, in this video it's only this, and after this we will export the environment variable, and we will end the video because it's getting so long. Yeah, like this it's over. We will just copy the this one and paste here, and this was how to install it, and we will launch using this command, this rose launch machine vision command in the next video, and try to solve it. Until then, I think bye bye, see you, bye.